Let's play a quick English puzzle game. I'll show you pictures like this or this one, and you guess the word before I fill it in. Hi, I'm Amit from Speak Rich with Me. If you love learning English through games, you are in the right place here. Our crossword today will lock the words in your memory forever. Ready? Let's go. Number one. What's this in English? Escalator. Perfect. The example is this. We took the escalator to the second floor of the shopping mall. The second one. How do you say this one in English? A ladder. Perfect. We say, and we use this example. He used the ladder to reach the roof. And number three. Could you tell me this one in English? Thank you. Steps. And the example is this. There are 3 steps from the garden to the door. Number 4. What about this one? Stairs. Very good. The example. We walked up the stairs to the bedroom. And the last one. Can you? Perfect. Railing. The example is this. Please hold the railing when you walk down the stairs. Well done. Now you know these items in English. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please hit the button so you never miss an English challenge again. For more items and tools for learning English, you can head over and visit my website for more lessons. See you in next English challenge. Goodbye.